Hello everybody, it's the Grand National of Tippler flying today. Right, 3:59 on the 23rd of June, Sunday. Two reds and a blue, same old three. It's 4 o'clock. Let's get them up. It's not that bright here at the minute. Camera's picking it up, but a little bit lighter than what it really is. But they're away. But still flying around, look, see how dark it still is. Okay, see you later. Hello everybody. I think you can see one of the birds up there. They're all up there, but there's... Oh, it's gone. Where is it? The sky is so blue and the sun is so bright. Beautiful day. I've lost the birds. They're up there. I think you just saw that for a moment. But anyway, they are up there. So rather than giving me a neck ache and not able to find them at the minute, they were there a second ago. I'll show you another pigeon. Let's just appreciate the grass while we're here. Look at that lawn. Anyway, you can see them down this end of the garden. Can't. They're up there, they were up there a second ago. Right, I've got a new pigeon here. Dad went to the pigeon club on Friday and somebody passed him this pigeon. His tail's poking up because it's just not, it's not a very good show cage as the basket, is it? But there you go, he's sorted now. Look at that. It's a bronze tippler. I should put the ring number on the video for people to have a look at the ring number. It's a 19 bird, if I remember right. NCTT 19A604, I believe it was. But look at that. That's in mint condition. Lovely looking pigeon. So I'm wondering if anybody might be able to help me out if I can find the owner. He was handed it to me dad. Somebody handed it to me dad at Dis. They went into their racing pigeon loft at Dis. So whether the N is for Norwich, I don't know. But if it is, then is there a club in Norwich? If there is, let me know. If anybody could help out, much appreciated. So just get the bird out. I don't want to get it out in case I let go of it. So but yeah, there's the bird. Look at that. That's in mint condition. Updates coming later. Bye for now.